My name is Suleiman Yusufi. This is my project for Eecs 1011. So that's my plant that I'm using for the project. That's the Arduino board, which is my setup over here. There you go. So the Arduino board is connected to my laptop, and to the Arduino board is connected the relay and as well as the moisture sensor over here. And for the relay, there's two ends to it. One end is connected to the battery, and the other end is connected to the water pump. So for learning outcome number 1, this is my flowchart. So the project uses an algorithm based on soil moisture sensor reading to determine the system's behavior. It transitions between states wet, moist, or dry, and based on the sensor's input. This state machine approach ensures that the watering only occurs when necessary, improving efficiency. So if it's dry, it pumps the water for 5 seconds. If it's moist, it turns the water for 2.5 seconds. All right, so this is my code. Alright, so for learning outcome number 2, procedural programming techniques like loops, which is the while loop over here, and conditional statements such as the if, else, if were key. A while loop ensures the program continuously monitors the sensor, and conditional statements compare the reading to predefined thresholds, activating the pump as needed, where thresholds are right over here. Learning outcome number 3, I used function to improve my code organization and handle specific tasks. For example, I used the plot data function to create a real-time graph of the soil moisture level over time. For learning outcome number 4, I used a mathematical equation to map the voltage reading up to a moisture state, ranging from 1 for dry and 0 to wet, where it's right over here. Okay, so I'm going to run the program now. Start up. So just to mention that the plant was watered not too long ago, so nothing's gonna happen. So you can see from the graph it's near 0, so that means it's wet. I'm gonna take the sensor out to detect that it's dry. Take it out. It's watering. There you go, the graph over there, it was watered now for 5 seconds. All right, thank you for listening.